Stop scrolling right now if you're an action camera user, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing high-energy adventures. Because the entire camera industry has just been thrown into absolute chaos. For more than a decade, you could practically set your watch by GoPro's release schedule, knowing with absolute certainty that every single September, a brand new flagship would drop right on cue. But then, 2025 arrived. September came and went, and for the first time in recent history, the tech world was met with absolute silence from the king of action cameras. No Hero 14, no major flagship announcement, nothing but a massive cloud of mystery that left millions of creators wondering if DJI and Insta360 had officially driven GoPro out of their own kingdom. Well, the heavy curtain of silence has just been completely shattered because official factory filings, unreleased silicon roadmaps, and shocking internal production leaks have just confirmed that the GoPro Hero 14 Black is not only finally coming, but it is packing the absolute biggest hardware upgrade this industry has ever seen. GoPro did not skip their release cycle out of laziness or fear. They skipped it because they were quietly engineering a massive, uncompromised system shock that is designed to completely redefine what small format cameras can achieve. We are talking about a total demolition of their historical weaknesses, a complete hardware overhaul, and computational features that sound like pure science fiction. In this video, we are diving deep into the newly uncovered specs, the secret processor that changes everything, the exact release date window, and why this camera is about to make full-frame shooters completely second-guess their massive setups. Smash that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications. Because if you are planning to buy any camera this year, you absolutely need to see what GoPro has been hiding behind closed doors. To understand exactly why the camera community is losing its mind over these leaks, we have to look directly at the brain of the machine. Because the biggest bottleneck in action camera history has never just been the glass lens, but rather the severe limitations of tiny processing chips. For multiple generations, GoPro relied heavily on the aging architecture of the GP2 processor, pushing it to its absolute limits to clear out noise and manage high frame rates. But the leaked data confirms that the Hero 14 Black is officially debuting the brand new, highly anticipated GP3 custom silicon engine. This is not just a modest clock speed bump or a marketing gimmick. The GP3 chip represents a staggering 2x increase in pure pixel processing horsepower compared to everything that came before it. But the real magic hidden deep inside this new silicon is a dedicated hardware AI neural processing unit, or NPU. This means that for the first time in history, your action camera is not just blindly capturing light and applying a generic software sharpness filter over the image. Instead, the AI NPU scans the incoming frame line by line in real time, actively identifying subjects, separating complex human skin tones from environmental backgrounds, and calculatedly lifting details out of dark areas without introducing digital artifacting. This massive jump in computational power completely rewrites script on image quality, allowing the Hero 14 Black to output a breathtaking, cinematic look straight out of the camera that feels far more organic, deep, and true to life than the overly sharp, synthetic digital look of old-school action footage. If you have ever been frustrated by your footage, looking flat or looking like it was obviously shot on a tiny action camera, the GP3 processor is going to be the single biggest game changer you have ever experienced. Now, let us tackle the single biggest elephant in the room. When it comes to small format filmmaking, because we all know the exact painful truth about action cameras, they are absolute kings of bright sunny beach days. But the absolute second you walk indoors, step into a dimly lit restaurant, or try to capture a twilight street scene, your video completely falls apart into a muddy, grainy mess that looks almost unwatchable. GoPro has historically taken massive heat for this exact weakness, but according to the newest internal blueprints, the hardware fix is officially here. The Hero 14 Black is heavily leaked to be jumping to an upgraded, massive 1-inch sensor design, Now, implementing a 1-inch sensor into a rugged action camera body is an absolute engineering nightmare because a larger sensor inherently creates a much shallower depth of field, meaning you traditionally have to add motorized autofocus lenses, which are way too fragile and bulky. For extreme sports, GoPro has reportedly solved this physical riddle by pairing their massive, new quad-bear 1-inch sensor with a custom, highly specialized fixed focus lens matrix that keeps everything perfectly sharp, from a few inches away all the way out to infinity. This physical expansion means the camera can absorb an astronomical amount of extra light at a physical hardware level, keeping the raw data entering the camera fundamentally clean before any software filters even touch it. When you combine this massive physical light gathering with the advanced real-time denoising mathematics of the GP3 AI chip, the low light threshold of the Hero 14 Black completely skyrockets, allowing you to shoot crisp, vibrant night vlogs and dark trail rides that look astonishingly clean. Because its GP3 processor has such an enormous data pipeline, the raw video resolution and frame rate combinations on the Hero 14 Black are entering a realm that will make high-end commercial directors incredibly excited. The leaked retail spec sheets indicate that the flagship is fully capable of shooting a true, uncropped 8K video signal at up to 30 frames per second. To put that into perspective, that means you can pull pristine, razor-sharp 27-megapixel still photographs directly from your moving video timeline without losing a single ounce of detail, completely blurring the line between photography and videography. And for the content creators who absolutely live for that dramatic, ultra-smooth slow motion, the camera steps up to offer a mind-boggling 5.3K resolution at a blistering 120 frames per second, alongside an extreme 4K mode at 240 frames per second. This is an absolute dream scenario for mountain bikers, surfers, and automotive vloggers who want to slow down hyper-fast action sequences to an absolute crawl while still maintaining enough pixel density to crop in heavily or master their videos for large cinema displays. Furthermore, the compression algorithms are getting a complete industrial overhaul, stepping away from blocky digital compression to offer smooth gradient color, transitions, and natural background blur. The camera also fully embraces professional workflows by offering advanced 10-bit log color profiles right out of the box, allowing you to stretch the dynamic range to its absolute breaking point during color grading without seeing your image fall apart into digital artifacts. But let us be completely realistic, because high resolutions and insane processing speeds don't mean anything if your camera constantly overheats and shuts down after 10 minutes of continuous recording. The dreaded thermal warning screen has been a massive pain point for creators shooting in warm environments, and because a 1-inch sensor and an AI processor generate an immense amount of internal heat, GoPro had to completely reinvent their thermal dynamics. The leaks reveal that the Hero 14 Black integrates a cutting-edge graphene internal heat sink structure woven straight into the chassis. This highly efficient path draws destructive heat away from the sensitive core components and dissipates it evenly across the outer shell, allowing you to record long-form videos in 4K and 8K without the camera constantly shutting down mid-take. To power all this heavy, high-tech wizardry, the battery tech is getting a massive hardware optimization, utilizing a next-generation Enduro platform variant designed to maintain consistent voltage even in freezing sub-zero conditions. But the upgrades don't just stop at video reliability, because high-quality audio is 50% of the viewing experience, and GoPro is targeting solo vloggers with a massive internal microphone overhaul. The Hero 14 Black is leaked to feature an advanced multi-mic spatial array running sophisticated AI. This advanced audio setup actively separates human speech frequencies from ambient environmental noise like rushing wind or city traffic, giving you studio clean, crisp vocals straight out of the camera file without forcing you to carry around heavy, annoying wireless microphone packs. All right, let us talk about the absolute most critical details that everyone has been waiting for, which are the official timeline and exactly how much this beast is going to cost you. Because GoPro broke their traditional rules and skipped late 2025 to perfect this massive technological leap, their entire launch playbook has officially changed. The latest internal retail distributor leaks confidently point to a massive global launch happening in Q2 of 2026, meaning a summer release window is the active target. This strategic shift is incredibly smart because it puts the newest flagship directly into the hands of travelers, athletes, and content creators right when they are actively heading out for summer vacation and planning new content. When it comes to the pricing structure, the massive research and development cost of the 5nm GP3 AI processor and that gorgeous premium 1-inch sensor mean we are going to see a slight premium correction. Early retail listing leaks suggest that the Hero 14 Black will hit the market at an introductory price point between $400 and $450 for the standard base package. I want to hear from all of you down in the comments section below. Do you think the massive jump to the GP3 chip and the 1-inch sensor is enough to make you instantly upgrade your gear bag? Or are you staying put with what you have? Drop your honest thoughts below. Smash that like button if you found this deep tech breakdown valuable. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our full hands-on review the exact moment this device lands in our studio. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all in the very next video.